What if I told you that you could start building wealth from zero income? Imagine transforming your life without having to wait for a salary or large investment. Sound impossible, right? But it's not. In today's video, we'll uncover the smartest, most effective ways to start from scratch and build wealth using nothing but your time and determination. From mastering digital skills to tapping into the sharing economy, there are strategies anyone can start today that don't require large amounts of capital. Stick around till the end, and we'll show you how to start creating real wealth, no matter where you're starting from. Let's dive in. 1. Build high-income digital skills. When you're starting from zero, your most valuable asset is your ability to create value. In today's world, digital skills are in high demand, and you don't need a huge budget to acquire them. Free platforms like YouTube, Coursera, and edX offer courses to help you master essential skills like AI implementation, digital marketing, and sales. AI is rapidly transforming industries, and learning to work with tools like AI algorithms can make you an expert in a high-growth area. Digital marketing, including SEO and social media management, is also crucial for businesses and highly valued. Sales, with performance-based rewards, is another lucrative field to explore. Once you've built your skills, you can offer your services on freelance platforms or land full-time opportunities. As you grow your expertise, your earning potential will follow suit. 2. Launch a no-cost service business. One of the fastest ways to go from zero income to earning is by offering a service. The great thing about service-based businesses is that they don't require money to start, just a skill that people are willing to pay for. Freelancing is an excellent choice, as you can offer services like writing, graphic design, or virtual assistants on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, without needing an office or inventory. These platforms help you find clients, making it easier to get started. Alternatively, tutoring is a fantastic option. Whether it's academics, a language, or even something like music, people are always eager to learn. Online tutoring allows you to reach clients worldwide, enabling you to expand your income potential with little to no initial investment. 3. Create scalable digital assets. Unlike traditional jobs, digital assets give you the power to work once and earn money repeatedly. These assets, such as digital products and self-published works, can grow and generate income without needing you to trade your time daily. By creating digital leverage, you can continue earning from the same work over and over again. For example, you can create digital products like Notion templates, resume guides, or printables, and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Since they're digital, they require no physical inventory, and once created, they can be delivered instantly, meaning minimal ongoing effort. If you enjoy writing, self-publishing is another great route. With Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, you can write ebooks and publish them for a global audience. With the right subject and proper marketing, your writing can bring in passive income for years. Creating digital assets allows you to earn money while you sleep, and the more you create, the more you can scale your income. 4. Leverage the sharing economy. One of the easiest ways to make money with minimal investment is by leveraging the resources you already own. The sharing economy is booming, and it allows you to monetize assets that you might not even realize could generate income. For example, if you have an extra room in your home, you can rent it out on platforms like Airbnb. Whether it's a spare bedroom, a basement, or even just a couch, renting out unused space can bring in a steady stream of income. If you don't have a spare room but have extra storage space, platforms like Neighbor or Store at My House allow you to rent out your garage, attic, or other unused areas to people who need it. Beyond space, you can rent out items you already own. If you have high-demand tools, cameras, or specialized equipment, consider renting them out on platforms like Fat Llama or Rent Not Buy. Instead of leaving these items sitting around collecting dust, you can generate money by lending them to others when they need them. By taking advantage of the resources you already have, you can start building wealth without having to spend money up front. 5. Establish a North Star mindset. Building wealth isn't just about the strategies and tactics you use. It's also about the mindset you adopt. Wealth begins in your head before it ever reaches your bank account. To get started on the right track, you need to define why you want financial freedom. Having a clear reason will help keep you motivated, even when the going gets tough. For example, maybe you want financial independence to break free from debt or to provide a better life for your family. By understanding your why, you'll have a clear purpose that can keep you on track through the ups and downs of your journey. Another key mindset shift is to adopt an owner mindset. Instead of thinking like a consumer, think like a producer. Ask yourself, how can I help? Instead of what can I get? By focusing on helping others and providing value, you can build wealth in a way that feels meaningful and sustainable. 6. Master basic money management, the foundation. Building wealth isn't just about how much money you make. It's also about how you manage it. Even with small amounts of money, the habits you develop now will have a huge impact on your financial future. To get started, create a budget and follow the 50/30/20 rule. This method suggests you allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. It's a simple rule that will help you keep your finances in check and ensure you're consistently saving for the future. Additionally, living below your means is one of the most important habits you can develop. As you begin to earn more, resist the temptation to spend more. This is known as avoiding lifestyle inflation. The more you can save and invest in the beginning, the faster you'll grow your wealth over time. These simple money management strategies form the foundation for long-term financial success. They ensure that you're not just earning money, but also using it wisely to build wealth. 7. Prioritize defensive financial moves. Before you can aggressively grow your wealth, it's important to protect your progress. Financial stability provides a solid foundation, and the first step is to secure an emergency fund. Aim to save at least $1,000 to cover any unexpected expenses that may arise. From there, build it up to 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This cushion will give you peace of mind and protect you from financial setbacks. Another important defensive move is paying off high-interest debt. If you have any debts with an interest rate higher than 10%, prioritize paying them off first. This is called the avalanche method, and it ensures you're eliminating the debt that's costing you the most. Reducing high-interest debt frees up more money for saving and investing, helping you build wealth more effectively. By focusing on these defensive strategies, you're ensuring that your wealth-building efforts are secure and won't be derailed by unexpected challenges. 8. Automate micro-investing. Investing doesn't have to be difficult or require a lot of money. In fact, small, consistent investments are often more effective than trying to make large, one-time contributions. Nowadays, technology has made it easier than ever to start investing with minimal amounts of money. Micro-investing apps like Acorns or Stash allow you to invest as little as $5 in diversified portfolios, such as index funds or ETFs. Even if you're just starting with small amounts, consistency is key. Over time, your investments will grow, and you'll start seeing the compound effects of your efforts. If you eventually get a job, consider contributing to a 401k or 403b, especially if your employer offers a match. That's free money that can go toward building your retirement savings. By automating your investments, you ensure that you're consistently putting money into your future, even if you're starting small. There you have it. 8 powerful and practical strategies to start building wealth from zero income. Whether you're learning digital skills, launching a service business, or mastering money management, these steps will set you on the path to financial freedom. Remember, building wealth isn't about how much you start with. It's about how you manage what you have and stay committed to the journey. Each step you take now, no matter how small, is a step closer to the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Share with someone who could use these tips, and subscribe for more practical advice on building wealth. Until next time, take control of your financial future.